Hi, I'm Alex from the VAVA team, and today I'm going to show you how to set up the VAVA dashcam. Open the box and take out the VAVA dashcam and all accessories. Clean the windshield glass. Place the magnetic mount, then press down the lock. Now attach the VAVA dashcam onto the magnetic mount. Connect the micro USB cable to the dashcam, then secure the cable to the cable clip. Make sure you leave a longer length between the dashcam and the clip so you can rotate and adjust your VAVA dashcam. Use the cable clips to run the cable along the windshield. Then remove the adhesive sticker and place the GPS module on the top corner of your car. Use the trim removal tool to hide the cable into the seams. Where to run the cable will depend on your car model. Plug the VAVA car charger into the cigarette port, then connect the USB cable. The VAVA dashcam will then turn on. The blue LED light will blink slowly, signaling that the VAVA dashcam is recording. Press and hold the snapshot button for about 5 to 15 seconds until you hear 4 beeps. The snapshot button is now paired with the dash cam. Open the WLAN settings on your smartphone and find the VAVA Wi-Fi. Select the VAVA Wi-Fi and enter the default password to connect. Launch the VAVA Dash app. This will automatically connect with your VAVA Dash cam. If you experience issues connecting the app and the dash cam, please try restarting the dash cam or your phone. Click the second icon at the bottom to go to your VAVA Dash cam's page. Click Connect Dashcam to access your real-time feed showing what the dashcam is recording. Press the camera icon below the real-time feed to take a snapshot, or press the video icon to capture a 20-second video. Press the map icon for real-time travel tracking for iOS phones. Note: real-time travel tracking is not available for Android devices due to OS limitations. Access the VAVA Dashcam settings by pressing the small gear icon in the top right corner. Here you can change the VAVA Wi-Fi name and password, set loop recording time and video resolution, and switch on or off parking mode, shutter sound, or LED. You can also view your VAVA dashcam information, restore factory settings, or format the SD card. Depending on the usage, it is recommended to format the SD card several times per month, after a firmware upgrade, or when using a new SD card. Note: transfer files and data prior to formatting the SD card. The camera icon below the real-time feed gives you access to the snapshot page. Press the media icon in the top right corner to enter your media gallery. The media gallery is divided into snapshots, group, and emergency. The snapshots tab contains all photos and videos manually taken by means of the snapshot button or the photo video icons respectively. Choose a photo to edit, save, delete, or share it on social media. Long press the save icon to store the photo directly in the camera roll of your phone. In the loop category, you will find your 1, 2, and 3 minute loop recordings. Click the filter icon in the top left corner to sort the files, then press the tick icon to confirm. Now press the select icon in the top right corner, choose one or more files, and click the delete icon to erase them. Note: this will only delete the thumbnails on your phone, not the files on the SD card. Click the video play icon to preview a video. Please note that the video preview is a compressed file, so the video quality is not as high as the original video. Press the download icon to download the original video file. Once downloaded, you can edit the video, save it on your phone, delete it, or share it on social media. In the home page, press the account icon to further personalize your VAVA dashcam. Click the small gear icon in the top right corner in order to set the speed unit, auto backup snapshots and videos, or set an automatic connection. Press the register login to create a new VAVA dashcam account, access your existing ones, or simply change your account password. Enter the travel log section to view all your travel logs. Choose a travel log and click the map icon at the bottom to check the snapshots, loop recordings, and emergency videos taken during this journey. In the travelog page, you can also delete the travelogs entirely. Press My Dashcam to change the dashcam settings and delete downloaded files that are stored in the app. Create your personal driving journal by accessing the driving journal section of the app. Click Add Driving Journal to choose a travelog, and then press the image icon at the bottom to add snapshots or notes. Driving journals can be shared on social media, edited, saved onto your phone's camera roll, or deleted. Press Help Center to learn more about how to install, connect, and use the VAVA Dashcam. You can also contact us by clicking the email icon in the top right corner. Check if a firmware upgrade is available by entering the update page. Notes: please remember to format the SD card after updating the firmware. Finally, enter the About VAVA Dashcam section to view VAVA's privacy policy and website.